Okay, time to top off our building with a roof. We'll first of all go back to PowerCADD. I've highlighted, or isolated rather, the roof plan that we're going to use, and I'm going to bring over the elements that we require. I'm going to copy those, take them over to in2space. I've already made a roof plan in a layer system, so we'll make that the active layer. Put the 3D window out of the way a little bit and paste that into situation. Let's turn off some of the other elements so we can just see where we are and what we're doing. We have enough information there to actually construct a roof, sorry. Let's have a look at the roof setting. Again, I've already pre-made the roof elements that we need to use: main roof, terrace and a garage. Main roof consists of a roof that is made with a 4+2 method. This simply lets us, with 4 points, construct a standard sloping roof. Check the geometry on that. We're going to draw by gradient. We can draw all roofs by height, which is quite useful in certain circumstances. I'm just going to change the material to make it give us a roof that is a little easy to see, and with the same clockwise methodology we find our first point and our second point. Now with roofs it's important to remember that the construction of your first line also sets your apex for that roof. So going south to north will create apex here. Carry on, let's make our 4 points, and you see we have apex roof. In this case it's open-ended, we can close that end off. We can also, again, semi-parametric methodologies, change on the fly the gradient of that roof, or any other roof for that matter. We're going to stick with open-ended and drop in our second roof. Same principle. Again, the apex this time is going west to east, so there's our first point, second point, apex will be drawn in this direction, and third and fourth point. And there we have a simply constructed roof. We put a thickness on there, you can see edge to edge. You can have 0 thickness and build up the drawing using extrusions. Now, clever tools save an awful lot of time of the trim and extend tool. Simply click on one roof, click on the roof to extend to, and the roof not only extends but trims out its aperture. I'm going to close that down. I'm going to bring back our first floor wall. And you'll see, using the extend wall to roof tool, system was thinking a little bit then. I can show you that we've extended the walls to the roofs all the way around in one automatic click of a button. Fantastic, very powerful tool. And there we have basically a shell of our building constructed. We can now go in and modify. I think I've shown you before. If we click on an element, it jumps to that element within the setting. And if we wish, we can go in, change the colour of that whole thing. It's reflected through the whole drawing. And now we'll move on to drawing the smaller sort of porch roof, which is lower down on the construction.